In this video, we'll show you how to log into your website. There are a few different ways to access the login screen, depending on how your site was set up. On newer websites, you'll see an edit button in the footer of your site. Click this button to open the login screen. Enter your username and password, then click Login. On older websites, you'll see the It's Easy logo in the footer instead. Click the logo to open the login screen. Enter your username and password, then click Login. If your website doesn't show an edit button or the It's Easy logo, you can still log in. In your browser's address bar, add /? mode equals edit to the end of your website address, then press Enter. This will take you to the login screen where you can enter your username and password and click Login. If you can't remember your login details, here's what to do. If you've forgotten your username, please contact our support team and we'll be able to help you. If you've forgotten your password, what you do next depends on how you log in. If you log in using an email address, enter it on screen and we'll send you a link to reset your password. If you don't log in using an email address, please contact our support team and we'll reset your password for you. Once logged in, your website will open in the website editing platform, ready for you to start making changes.